Hi everyone, it's Trevor Olenek from GNR Camping World. We are Winnipeg's only RV care dealer, and we have Winnipeg's largest and most experienced RV service center. For our 50th anniversary sale, we are standing by, well, we're standing in the presence of greatness, Leisure Travel Van. Now for those that know Leisure Travel Van, I'm sure you've been on their website, and I'm sure you've seen Dean do some videos. I am not going to do justice to this vehicle compared to what Dean does. He is amazing. He is a master when it comes to talking about his leisure travel vans. I'll do my best. We'll do it a little bit shorter too, because we just don't have a lot of time to do this. But hey, you know what? This is a Unity, it's a 2021 Unity U24MB Murphy bed model. Built on the Mercedes chassis. Diesel, so it's 188 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque. You can actually tow behind this. You can tow 5,000 pounds behind this one. We're gonna go around the outside, then we'll go check out the inside. The inside is just as stunning as the outside, but the paint, the bodywork, the lines, the logo, everything is just elegance at its finest right here. Come on, let's go check it out. I mean, I can spend a lot of time. It's got a step here, easy to climb up and wash the windshield. The diesel engine, the super bright headlights, folding mirrors, aluminum rims on this one here. Some of these things are optional, but this one has it. By the way, this was a demo. This was actually the factory demo. They used it for photo shoots and videoing and things like that. So you might have seen this in Dean's videos. Now it's our demo. So they've allowed us to have this here, and we are proud to have it and honored to have this at our dealership. Let's see, the integrated step here, everything just blends and flows. Everything, you know, Leisure Van just gets this little piece of it, and the bottom and the engine and that. They build all this, and they use it, they build it using vacuum bonded technology for the floor, the roof, everything. There's a combination of steel where it counts and aluminum where it's needed to make it light, and the vacuum bonded fiberglass. Courtesy lighting, when you open the door, lighting comes on to help you get in and out. Move around to the side here. Frameless windows, right? Super sleek and just elegant look to continue with the elegance of the coach. And of course, you've got your screen door here, of course. Power step, you open the door, you close the door, the step comes in and out all by itself. The awning on here, as you can see, you've got the LED light strip plus another additional LED porch light here as well. That awning is a full power awning. You push a button, it comes out. You push a button, it goes in. Now the other thing about this awning is it is legless, armless if you will, legless awning. It's just push, it comes out, and wind sensing. So it does automatically retract if you feel, if the wind is getting a little too crazy and that awning should be brought in, it'll automatically bring that awning in for you. Multiple storage compartments here. This one has the optional camp table. If you're out camping somewhere and there is no table, or you're in the middle of nowhere, you just don't want to use that table, you got your own table on board. It's very light, easy to use, adjustable legs. It works really well. The quality. I'm always going to come back to the quality when we talk about leisure travel vans. The exterior finish on this. A lot of brands, what they're using is decals, right? So they'll do one single coat of paint, maybe a coat of clear coat, and maybe a bunch of decals all over. This is not decals, this is all paint. All colors are paint. All colors receive 3 coats of paint and then 2 coats of clear coat to finish it off. These units spend 5 to 7 days each in the body shop just getting that beautiful, beautiful durable paint job taken care of. So it shows, and it shows really well. Look at this, huge storage compartment here, multiple bin organization there. Also, you know, you could put golf clubs in there, maybe a folding bike. There's lots of different options you could put in there, and it's a huge storage compartment. We also have multiple other little storage compartments underneath. The beauty continues around the back, and this is no exception. They spend a lot of time, again, beautiful logo. Look at the backup camera. You can't even barely see it. It's integrated right into there. All the lights are all nicely integrated into here. Even the license plate area is all nicely designed. And this is a multiple piece back cap section. And the reason that is, if something happens and there's a little bit of damage here, it could happen, you can replace just this piece instead of having to do the whole piece back here, okay? Continuing around, a few more storage compartments. Like I said, I'm not going to go into super close or a lot of detail on this just for timing right now, but if you want to see a lot more detail, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans, he goes through these in tremendous detail, fantastic videos. The Truma Aqua Go Comfort Plus hot water tank system. It's actually not a tank, it's a tankless system. So it's on demand. There is a little tank in there to keep water warm, but it is on demand, so you have endless amounts of hot water and it's propane powered. Okay. This particular unit, again, I mentioned the aluminum rims we've got here. This particular unit has a slide out, and this is where the Murphy bed is in, and we're gonna go see how nice and easy that Murphy bed is to operate. But this here is a nice big slide out. Push a button, it comes out, push a button, it comes back in. Even on the slide out, what they did, and this is standard, there's a topper up there. There's a slide topper. So if you're at a campsite and you got tree leaves coming down, whatever, it's got protection from that. So that's a very nice thing for sure. When we open this door, we reveal the fuel fill area here. So what the nice thing about that is there's two nice things. You can leave this open, obviously, to fill up, but you can also shut the door. And when you shut the door, now the fumes aren't going inside the coach. The other nice thing is when you close this and lock the coach, no one's going to be able to access your fuel. It happens. Sometimes fuel gets stolen. Let's go inside. Let's check out the Murphy bed plus all the other features inside as well. Just a tremendous, just a beautiful, beautiful coach. Okay, let's go inside. I'll just give you a second to take it in. It's beautiful, isn't it? So back to the Mercedes chassis. We'll start up front here. As you can see, the seats swivel around. They both do. And the seats are super plush. They don't just take the regular Mercedes seats. They actually kind of rebuild them and make them their own. They got the Leisure Travel Van logo in there, and they're much more comfortable. They've got some ultra leather there, and there is memory foam in the seats as well. And these also do extend out for taller people, right? If you need the little bolster extension there. We've got the big screen here, and all the navigation, collision avoidance, lane departure warnings. It's got all the safety features you could ever want. The other thing, which is really nice, I'm just going to kind of back up here. We're going to put this down. Safety, right? They fill this area in. Now you've got a little bit of a step well area when the door is closed, and that way you don't trip and stumble there. Storage here. Even a safe. That's an optional safe, but this one has it. You know, protect your belongings. A lot of people spend a lot of time in these RVs, and they've got, you know, their passports and things like that. They need to keep them well protected. This has it. Look at the cabinetry, the curved cabinetry. All of this stuff is all real wood. It's all just such a beautiful design, and you get a good choice. There's a lot of selection. Whenever you're ordering one of these units, there's a lot of selection from Leisure Travel Vans. Different wood colors, different exterior paint packages, the upper cabinets like this in white. There's lots of different options. This dining area, sleeping area, this is a multi-function thing. I'm going to go through it, like I said, probably not as detailed as Dean would go through from Leisure Travel Van, but we're going to go through this. One thing I want to show you, what's the first thing I should do? You know what the first thing I'll do? It's a couch area here for watching TV. Of course, you do have the TV that does pop up here. You can watch it when it's up or watch it when it's down. I guess the nice function, or the functionality of this, is if you're laying down in bed, you want to watch it here, you might need it at this angle here. But if you want more cabinet space and still be able to watch TV while you're sitting here, you can watch it down there as well. Now, there's multiple other functions to this system here. You can use it, these backrests kind of pop up here. You can put this here. Now you can relax as kind of a day bed. Okay, you can put that one over there. Two people can kind of relax on a daybed type area. Okay, so that's one function. I'm going to get rid of this. Well, for now, I'll get rid of this. There's a lot to do with this thing. So let me just go through a few things here. Let's say we pull this out of here, And we could put this like this. Oh, look at this, a little cocktail table. So you can have the chairs, you can put the chairs back either like this and just sit here and have your little, you know, watch TV like this, have a cocktail table. Or you could even put it back here, right, with the backrest and sit in here, still have your little cocktail table. Then, if you want a full meal table, well, we've got that too. All we do is we pull this down. There we go. Now we've got a booth dinette. Dinner. Okay. Now we fold this back up. Store this. We'll stow this back down here. Let's remove this. It's bedtime. Now what? Where do we sleep? There's no bed. Yes, there is. It's right here. Oh, sorry. We got the locking. Here we go. Now, we just pull this down. Very easy. It's assisted. It's very light. This is not hard to do at all. Two-piece bed. The reason they do this, if not, it'd be a shorter, small bed. Now we've got a very nice size bed here. And ta-da. But actually there is more. It's like they say, wait, there's more. There is more to this. When we go like this, and you put a pillow up there, you want to watch TV, read a book, there's night lights, there's windows, there's blinds on the windows, there's all kinds of things here. So they've thought of everything for comfort. Full walk around bed. Remember, this is a I think it's right around 25 feet for this unit. Full walk around bed, lots of floor space when the bed's put away. Wait till you see the bathroom. That's going to be very impressive. Okay, folding it up, putting it away is no more difficult than taking it down. We'll put this like this, release, and we fold it up. You can leave it like that, or for transport, they will latch into position here. Okay. You know what? We can leave this out for now. What we're going to look at now is the galley area. The galley area and the TV area here too. Corian countertops. Real, actual Corian countertop found in very high-end homes. Even the cutting board sink cover is also Corian as well. Give you a nice deep sink. Real faucets. These are not plastic. Little organization area here. So you got for your sponges and things. Dish towels. Your cooktop, 2-burner cooktop that folds, European design. So now you can use this as work surface if you're not using the cooktop. In here, garbage can. Who thinks of this? I've never seen this in any kind of RV that I've been in. But you got the garbage can built right in and cleverly hidden. Inverted plugs. There's a lot of inverted plugs here. That means you have 110 volt power through an inverter even when you're not plugged in. By the way, this is lithium batteries in here. Okay. Cabinets, again, real wood, very, very well built. Drawers, self-closing, roller glides. Top quality everything when it comes to it. And storage everywhere. The air conditioning unit in here. The air conditioning unit is a 15,000 BTU air conditioner with heat pump. And it's ducted. It's ducted all the way through front to back. On top of that, you have a Max Air fan right there, or a Fantastic fan. And there's another Fantastic fan in the bathroom. Speaking of the bathroom, again, you gotta remember, we're only in a 25-foot motorhome here. The floor space is incredible. The bathroom, the shower, the vanity, or the vanity here, medicine cabinet, another cabinet there, huge shower. You know, I'm not a giant guy, but there is tons of room in here. Tons and tons and tons of room. Medicine cabinet. Again, lots of storage and well laid out, well organized, not just one big open compartment. Storage here. Storage, get a load of this. Get a look in here. Storage. The lights automatically came on in here. And they continue the quality woodwork throughout the motorhome. Even the backlighting in there, tons of lights through here, all LED of course. Pull-out pantry. Accessible from both sides, so if for some reason you need to get it from this side, you can. So it's accessible from both sides. Convection microwave. You'd notice they don't take up valuable storage area by a propane stove. It's a microwave and convection all in one. So you can bake in there, use it as a microwave. Fridge. This is a unbelievable fridge. I don't think I've seen this in any other RV ever. Looks like a normal fridge. It's actually a 3-way fridge. Most are 2-way. This is gas, electric, or 12 volt. But if you're on that side, you can access from that side, no problem. But now, if you're on this side, you can access it from this side. Have you ever seen that? I've never seen that other than these leisure travel vans. So very unique, very nice feature. Flip up countertop extension, again, still matching Corian. So it is all the good stuff throughout the unit. What else can I tell you? Well, you know what? Again, if you want more information, check out Leisure Travel Van's website. They've got tons of videos. Dean from Leisure Travel Van does just an amazing job, and very detailed and very, very thorough. For us here, we have this one on our lot. It is a demo, so obviously the price will be very, very well adjusted. And if you want to come set up an appointment to come have a look at this one, you can call or text us at 204-233-4478, or you can email us at sales@gnrcw.com. Thank you.